Dear students, today I have come to break this myth. You can say that, most of the students, they think that if they become very good in grammar, if they learn all the rules of grammar, they can be fluent in English, and one fine day they will be fluent in English. They can speak very good English in front of other people. But my dear friends, let me tell you, this is a myth. No grammar can help you in learning English. No, I can't say this thing, but the thing is that, grammar can help you in learning English, but only in moderation. It means all the rules of grammar are not necessary for speaking English. Yes, to some extent, if you are learning grammar, that is okay. But you need not go into deep inside this grammar thing, because this thing is not going to solve your problem of speaking English. So if you have this thing in your mind that one day I will be able to speak fluent English only if I learn all the rules of grammar, so just forget about it. Because grammar is not the thing which will carry you to that path where you can learn English, you can speak English. English speaking comes from speaking only. Just believe me, trust me, this is the only mool mantra which I'm going to tell you, that whatever method you adopt, whatever, whichever thing you, think for learning this language, you go to some school, some institution where you are enrolling yourself for speaking English, or you are doing some online courses, whatever you are doing, just keep one thing in mind. And this is a bitter, you can say this is a bitter truth, that you cannot be able to speak proper English until and unless you speak yourself. This is the most important things. And remember that if you are valuing more on speaking, then why are you not speaking? Your speaking is very much needed for to be a fluent speaker. And we don't, what we do, that we don't want to directly come on to the point which is rather difficult for us. Or you can say that we people are really afraid to face the truth. We always like to remain in our comfort zone. We don't want to go out of it. So that is the only reason that we are not learning English till now. We are not able to speak till now. Because what we are doing? We are actually beating about the bush, adopting so many methods, various methods, watching on YouTube that if you do this, you can be fluent in English. So you are adopting all those methods, but you are not doing the right thing, which is actually needed for speaking English. That is to speak English. You need to speak English. You need to come out of your comfort zone, as I told you right now. So just speak and speak and speak. Then only you can be, fluent in English. So what happens that we people are very much, afraid to speak English. The reason being that English is very complicated, language, you can say, or, it has so many exceptions, so many differences, so many curves that, we are very much nervous to learn this language. We think that, if we get some magical tricks so that we can be fluent overnight, so this instant gratification takes you to those places where most of the people or the owner of some institution, they demand that they will make you fluent in English in 30 days or in 1 month or in 2 months. But students, let me tell you one thing, that nobody is going to make you fluent in a short period of time. It will take time. Yes, just write down in your copy that this English path where you are putting your step, it's rather difficult thing. And you know, you can see that mom is actually discouraging us by telling us these things, you know. Why not? We can be fluent in 6 months old also. We can be fluent in 2 months old also. But the thing is that, you know, you need to remember one thing, that if you really want to delve into this language, if you really want to be fluent in English, you have to consistently learn this language. Regularly you have to work on this language. Then only what will happen, that, you know, after practicing for a long time, you can understand the nature of the language. You can understand in which way you are going to work on this language, in which way you are getting the result, that too in a slow process. Overnight you cannot become a fluent speaker. It takes time, and believe me that, you know, you need to put your consistent effort into it, and slowly you will find that you are improving. Because when you are speaking constantly, it happens that, you know, you don't need to put much effort into this language to come out from your mouth, to utter this language, you know. Automatically it happens. You feel that you are speaking without putting any effort. Initially you need to put effort into it to speak out words and sentences from your mouth, but once you start speaking this language continuously, you will find that things have become very easy, and you are able to speak up. You are able to put across your thoughts, your ideas, without putting much effort into it. This is the reality. And no grammar thing is going to help you. Yeah, you should know the construction of sentences. You should know that how a sentence is construct. These are the basic things which you must know, and for that I make this very particular channel where I teach moderate grammar too, which is really helpful for you to speak English. But the thing is that, you know, you need to work a lot into it. Every day put your effort into it, and very soon you will get the result. You will see that, you will feel that, you know, the more you put effort into it, the better your English becomes. And it will work like a mathematical exactitude, you know. Whatever effort you have put into it, you are going to get the right result, you know. This is called, you know, mathematical exactitude. And one more thing I would like to say, that why we are really very much afraid to speak this language. It's because, you know, when we want to speak English, we are very much nervous, you know, thinking that what people might say about us, what people will say about us, that if we are speaking wrong English. We are very much concerned about the people's opinion, others' opinion, isn't it? We don't think about ourselves. But believe me, one thing which is very clear, that no one is so much interested in others, you know, matters. It's okay. If someone says something wrong to you, that is only for a short period. Or you can say it's a temporary, for a temporary period they are putting their opinion towards you. But once they go home, once they are involved in their own work, nobody pays so much attention in other people's affair, isn't it? And this is exactly what I felt, that it's okay, because all the people are surrounded with so many problems in their life, so much things are there in their life to, you know, to put their attention to. They don't think about other people. So if you are letting yourself down, if you are always, you know, thinking about other people's opinion, and that matter much in your life, believe me, you are not going to learn this language. So just try to understand what I'm saying. I'm saying that you need to practice a lot. You need to speak a lot without caring for other people's opinion. If they are if they are laughing at you, if they are making fun of you, or in other words, you can say that if they are mocking at you, let them do it. Don't bother for them. They will do it for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. But when they will see the sincerity in you, that when they will see you that really you are improving, they will stop doing that. Instead, they will take inspiration from you. Yeah, this is because when you are positive, you will spread only positivity, and people will get affected with this thing. Remember this thing. So I just want to tell you that only and only you need to speak English. Nothing else is going to help you. So whenever you get time to speak English, don't leave this opportunity. Try to speak English with unknown people, with strangers, with your friends, or if you are alone, you can talk to yourself. Self-talk is very, very good thing, So speak English, speak lots of English. One thing I really want to, share with you. This is my own feeling, you can say, my own experience, you can say. What happens when you are learning a lot, it means that you are stuffing your mind with English things, and all the time you are learning in English. You are watching YouTube videos, you are watching some speeches, sometimes some conversations, some dialogues. So what happens, you will realize this thing, that when you sleep, in your subconscious mind, those dialogues, it just goes on. It always there in your mind. And sometimes I feel that I'm speaking English with myself. No one is there, but I'm just repeating those things in my mind. This is, very common. And you can feel it yourself when you will fill your mind with so much English stuffs. And then what happens, that you will feel you are not hesitating to speak English with other people. And believe me, just whatever I am sharing with you, these are all my own experiences, my own things, which I have felt till now. One more thing I would like to tell you, that when you are on this path of learning English or speaking English, constantly if you are working on it, it's okay. But for some time, just think that for 1 or 2 days you stop speaking English. What happens, that you feel stagnant. You feel that, oh, I have come to the 0 point. So I don't know how to speak English. So what would happen, that if you regularly you are working on it, you are constantly talking to yourself, talking with other people, automatically the English things will come out from your mouth. You can talk to other people with confidently and without any hesitation. On the contrary to that, if you don't speak English, you are waiting for a right moment to come, then you will blurt out with English things. This will never happen in your life. And always, even if you are uttering a word, you will feel nervous whether I'm going to utter the same, the right word or not. And in this nervousness, you will utter the wrong word. This is very common, I'm telling you, students. So just try to understand what I'm telling. So eventually you need to think about this thing, that regularly you need to work on it. Consistently, if you work on it, then only you can learn this language. Otherwise, it's like 2 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात. So it means that regularly, if you're working on it, then you can get the result. Okay? Thank you so much.